Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D printing pens that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a parent looking for a creative tool for your kids, or a DIY enthusiast, there's something for everyone in this list. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at number 5, we have the ScribD Advanced 3D Printing Pen. This model is designed for users looking for a balance between advanced functionality and ease of use. It features an ergonomic design with a soft touch surface, making it comfortable to hold during extended crafting sessions. The large LCD screen is a standout feature, allowing users to monitor and adjust temperature settings and speed with precision. With 8 speed options, this pen offers excellent control over line thickness and material flow. Performance-wise, the ScribD Advanced Pen is reliable, with minimal clogging thanks to its engineering enhancements. It's beginner-friendly, but also capable of handling more intricate projects. The kit includes 20 feet of PLA filament in 2 colors, along with a stencil guide and power adapter, so you can get started right out of the box. While it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-ranked models, its user-friendly design and thoughtful inclusions make it a solid choice for hobbyists and beginners. That said, the lack of a listed price makes it harder to determine its overall value. Pros include its ergonomic design, adjustable settings, and included accessories. On the downside, it's not the most compact pen, and the included filament may not last long for larger projects. Overall, this pen is ideal for users who want a versatile but accessible 3D printing pen for casual use. At number 4, we have the Mint 3D Super 3D Pen, which is the most affordable option on our list at just $39.99. This budget-friendly pen is perfect for beginners and casual users who want to explore 3D printing without a big investment. It features a stepless speed slider, giving you control over the flow rate of the filament for different types of projects. The ultrasonic sealed nozzle is nearly clog-proof, which is a big plus, especially for first-time users. In terms of design, the Mint 3D Super is lightweight and easy to hold, though the build quality feels more utilitarian compared to other options. It supports both ABS and PLA filaments, and the kit includes 3 colors of PLA filament to get you started. While it lacks a display for monitoring temperature, it performs reliably and is straightforward to use. This simplicity makes it a great option for kids, educators, or anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of 3D printing. The main drawback here is its lack of advanced features, such as an OLED display or fine-tuned temperature adjustments. However, for the price, it's hard to beat. Pros include its affordability, clog-resistant nozzle, and user-friendly design. On the downside, it's not the most feature-rich pen, and serious crafters may find it limiting. Still, if you're on a budget, the Mint 3D Super is an excellent entry point into 3D printing. Coming in at number 3 is the 3Doodler Start Plus Essentials 3D Pen Set, designed specifically for kids and young creators. This pen is unique because it's the only child-safe option on our list, with no hot parts and low-temperature filaments that eliminate burn risks. It's a fantastic STEM learning tool that encourages creativity and hands-on problem-solving in a safe, screen-free environment. The slim design is easy for small hands to hold, and the upgraded features, such as faster charging and safety standby mode, enhance the overall experience. The kit includes everything a child needs to get started, such as the 3Doodler Start Pen, a doodle pad, mixed color filaments, and an activity guide. The packaging is eco-friendly, which is a nice touch for environmentally conscious parents. Performance-wise, it's simple and intuitive, though its capabilities are naturally limited compared to pens designed for professional use. It's perfect for making fun, colorful projects, but not suitable for detailed or intricate designs. The biggest pro of the 3Doodler Start Plus is its safety-first design, making it ideal for kids as young as 6. However, the proprietary filament can be a downside, as you're limited to purchasing it from 3D Doodler. It's also not the best option for older teens or adults who want more advanced features. All in all, this pen is perfect for younger users and families looking for a fun, educational tool. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Scrib 3D P1 3D printing pen with display. This pen strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality, making it a fantastic all-around choice for both beginners and more experienced users. The stepless speed slider allows for precise control over material flow, while the temperature adjustment feature ensures compatibility with both PLA and ABS filaments. The ceramic nozzle is designed to reduce clogging, and the auto sleep function is a thoughtful safety feature. The design is straightforward and functional, with an easy-to-read display that provides real-time temperature monitoring. The kit comes with 30 feet of PLA filament in 3 colors, a power adapter, and even a stencil guide to help spark your creativity. It's versatile enough for everything from home repairs to artistic projects. And the intuitive controls make it easy to learn, even if you're completely new to 3D printing. While the Scrib 3D P1 doesn't have the premium feel of higher-end models, its performance and included features make it a great value. The pros include its user-friendly design, stepless speed control, and compatibility with multiple filaments. On the downside, the included filament may not be enough for large projects, and advanced users might find it lacking in fine-tuning options. Overall, this pen is a superb choice for anyone looking for a reliable mid-tier option. Finally, at number 1, we have the Might 3D Professional Printing 3D Pen with OLED display. This is the most feature-packed and premium option on our list, and it's perfect for serious creators and professionals. The adjustable feed function lets you control the speed and flow with precision, while the OLED display provides real-time temperature monitoring, allowing you to fine-tune the settings to achieve a wide variety of effects. With a temperature range adjustable in 1-degree increments, this pen offers unparalleled control. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The kit includes 3 colors of PLA filament, an AC adapter, and a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Its advanced features make it suitable for detailed and intricate projects, whether you're creating prototypes, artistic designs, or even functional repairs. The clog-resistant nozzle and durable build ensure consistent performance over time. At $59, it's the most expensive option here, but the combination of advanced features, build quality, and performance justifies the price. Pros include its precise temperature control, OLED display, and professional-grade capabilities. On the downside, the learning curve may be steep for beginners, and it's not the most budget-friendly choice. However, for those who want the best of the best, the Might 3D Professional is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right 3D printing pen for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.